Remove and sort the parts. Align the front axle with the steering axle. Fasten with a washer and pin. Fasten the front axle to the car with screws. Connect the LED lights wire on each side. Insert a spring and shock absorber on each side in the rear of the car. Slide in the rear axle through the motors and shock absorbers. Screw in the top of the shock absorber on each side. Align and insert the front bumper. Plug in the LED light wire. Fasten with screws. Align and insert the rear bumper. Fasten with screws. Insert U-tube into the back bumper. Assemble the top holder with the long screws and caps. Insert the top holder and fasten with screws on the bottom of the car. Insert the seat and slide back into place. Connect the steering wheel wire. Click the steering wheel into place. Insert the side mirrors. Connect the windshield LED lights wire. Click the windshield into place. Attach each wheel onto its axle, followed by a fixed wheel sleeve, nut, and wheel cover. Make sure the front and rear wheels are on the correct axles. Open hood. Connect the battery wire. Unscrew and remove the hood compartment cover. Tuck the connected wire underneath. Reattach and screw in the hood compartment cover. Remove battery cover and insert two AA batteries into the remote. Press and hold car select button until the indicator light flashes. Turn on the car. The indicator light should turn off to indicate pairing of the remote to the car. Enable Bluetooth connection on your phone. Click Bluetooth icon on the car radio. Pair your phone to the car radio, F31 in this case. Now just charge your vehicle and you're ready to drive.
Video Shopping Network, an Amazon affiliate. To see this product on Amazon, click the link in the video description below. You'll be able to see current pricing, product reviews, and any special deals. Desktop users should see the Amazon quick link below the video. Mobile users will need to click the little down arrow below the video first.